This old guy DIY video demonstrates how I made a support for my high lift jack so it would be stabilized. But I was working yesterday and working by myself, and this thing wanted to tip left and right like nobody's business. So I struggled through the job, got it done, went online last night to see what the options were for some kind of stabilizer. I found a $120 version that was made out of what appeared to be cheap stamped metal. So I took that guy's idea and I converted it to pieces that I had. So I took a piece of bed frame here and I cut it off at 16 inches long, and my base is 12 inches, so that leaves me 2 inches on each side. And then I just took the table saw. You can see I took some material off here and here so this thing would sit flush with the side and the bottom, so it sits level when you set it down on a flat surface. So anyway, I took the pieces of bed frame, I drilled and screwed with two 3-inch screws here and two 2-inch screws on the bottom. And then with that attached, I took my farm jack and stood that up and just put a ratchet strap to each side. You see I drilled a hole there that's about 3/8 inch in diameter. Then I came up here to the top and I just picked two adjacent holes and I stuck one hook through each hole, and then I made one strap tight, just snug, and then I tightened up the other one and I just kind of went back and forth. And now, you know, this thing is not to bear the 5,000 pound load. I think these straps are rated at 800 pounds or something. But this will at least hold it in an upright position, so it's much safer and easier to use. But this is my $10 solution rather than buying the $120 solution from the internet. And it's just a piece of 16-inch bed frame that's screwed onto the back of the base. And then I drilled 4 holes in it, put some wood screws in, and we're ready to go. So if this idea saves you any time or money, please subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.